Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how you can effectively make money online. In this video, we're going to share 3 proven strategies that will help you generate income from the comfort of your home. So, let's get started. Strategy 1. Create and sell digital products. In the digital age, one of the most effective ways to earn money is through creating and selling digital products. This strategy opens up a wide range of possibilities, from writing ebooks and developing online courses to selling templates, music, and more. Imagine you have extensive knowledge about productivity and organization. You could turn your insights into an ebook offering practical tips to improve daily work efficiency. Once completed, you can publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, where millions of potential readers can access your work. Alternatively, if you're skilled in photography, you could create an online course covering everything from basic concepts to advanced techniques, allowing students to enhance their photography skills from home. Platforms such as Udemy or Teachable provide the necessary infrastructure to host and sell your course, reaching a global audience eager to learn. In summary, creating and selling digital products not only provides an opportunity to monetize your expertise but also allows you to reach a broad and diverse audience worldwide, contributing to both your professional and financial growth. Strategy 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a powerful strategy for those looking to earn additional income online. This involves partnering with companies or individuals to promote their products or services in exchange for a commission on each sale made through your referral. Imagine you're passionate about fitness and decide to share your knowledge and experiences through a blog or a YouTube channel. Here's where affiliate marketing comes into play. By partnering with companies that sell fitness-related products, such as supplements or exercise equipment, you can recommend these products to your audience. Every time someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link, you earn a commission. This strategy allows you to monetize your passion for fitness while benefiting both you and the businesses you partner with. As an affiliate, you have the freedom to choose which products you want to promote and how you present them to your audience. You can create detailed reviews, tutorials, or share your personal experiences with the products. On the flip side, companies benefit from reaching new customers through your established and trusted audience. However, succeeding in affiliate marketing requires more than just placing product links. It's crucial to build a strong relationship with your audience by providing valuable and relevant content. You need to earn the trust of your followers so they are willing to act on your recommendations. Additionally, choosing high-quality products that genuinely benefit your audience is essential, as promoting subpar products could harm your reputation. Strategy 3. Freelancing. Freelancing, as our third strategy, presents a brilliant opportunity to earn money online by offering your skills and services through specialized platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Whether you have expertise in graphic design, writing, programming, translation, or any other skill, the freelance world offers limitless opportunities to showcase your talent. For example, if you're a graphic designer with a creative eye, you could offer web design services to companies looking to enhance their online presence. Similarly, if you have writing skills, you could delve into content creation for blogs and websites, contributing quality articles that attract and retain target audiences. The exciting part of freelancing is that it allows you to work from anywhere, set your own hours, and have complete control over the projects you choose to undertake. Moreover, the demand for freelance services is continually growing, meaning there will always be opportunities for those willing to deliver quality and commitment. Thank you for watching. If you found these strategies helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on how to maximize your online earnings.